In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a World of Warcraft gift card. Whether you're topping up your own playtime or surprising a friend, I'll walk you through a smooth, secure purchase from start to finish. First, open a trusted store or website. For the best experience, stick with reputable retailers or the official publisher's store. Confirm you're on a secure connection and the correct regional site so prices, currencies, and codes match your account region. This small check helps you avoid issues later. Next, use the site's search bar and type World of Warcraft Game Time or WoW Time Card. These exact phrases will surface the right listings and help you filter out unrelated items. If multiple results appear, skim the product descriptions so you're choosing a time product rather than in-game services or collectibles. Now choose the option that fits your needs. A 60-day game time card gives you a straightforward block of play with no subscription attached. Great if you prefer set intervals. A Blizzard Balance gift card adds funds to an account, which can then be used for game time or other store items, making it a flexible choice if you're unsure what the recipient prefers. Digital game time is delivered electronically and usually includes a gift option, so you can send time directly without a physical card. Some stores may also offer physical cards. If you want something to wrap, check shipping times and regional availability. Always glance at regional notes because some codes are locked to specific countries and won't work across regions. When you're ready, click Buy Now or choose Gift if you're sending it to someone else. If a gift flow appears, double-check the recipient details and any message before proceeding. Accuracy here prevents delays or misdelivery. Select your payment method. Most stores accept a credit or debit card and PayPal, and some let you pay with existing Blizzard Balance if you already have funds loaded. Review the total with taxes or fees, and make sure the billing currency matches your region to avoid surprises. Complete checkout by following the on-screen prompts. Stay on the page until you see a confirmation. Interrupting the process can slow down delivery. Finally, check your email for the code or gift delivery. It often arrives within minutes, though peak times can take a bit longer, so watch your inbox and spam folder. Save the email or screenshot the code for your records, and keep it private like cash. If you sent a gift, let the recipient know to expect it. If nothing arrives after a reasonable wait, verify the email on your order confirmation and reach out to the store's support with your order number. You're all set. Enjoy your game time.